I'm watching Mr. 100 guy.
No, you are. Like you said, you're watching.
Oh.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Matt. It is like 11:22. It's 11:23. It's a great morning. I'm with Shayla. Shayla, how you feeling? Girl, no, you looking good. Girl, you looking good. No makeup on, everything fresh. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I woke up. I'm like dead. We might get coffee. We might not. We're still talking. Gabe's upstairs. Still sleeping. I don't know why. What are you playing?
Back to Marco.
Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Come on. Right now, we are moving things around the living room. So here's a speed lapse of us moving things around the living room. Let's go.
So there's not so many wires.
You can move the TV closer and put it at an angle.
Alright, before you see anything, I'm not sure if I said this before, but we moved everything around. And here's a little tour. Peace. What's up? It's Matt. This is a tour. It's like a mini tour of what we rearranged. Slide the deck door open once you walk in. You got your boombox to the right immediately, you know, cooling. Got the ladies coming in. In my feelings, Kiki. That's blasting. And then come here, check it out. We moved the couch. The couch was all against the wall. Here's the before. I can't show the before, but yeah, I got the couches and we moved the TV. We got the TV for free, so that's amazing. But we don't have a stand, so it's just laying right there. You got our pet, and then you got dining table. There's a little stuff on it, but that used to be over there. And yeah, things have changed. Upgrade. All right, what's up? It is 9:14. I'm so mad because one, I hate naps. Two, I woke up from a nap. And yeah, it's been like, it feels like I woke up from like 3-hour nap, something like that. Safe.
What?
How long was I asleep?
I don't know, like an hour? An hour and a half?
Did you see that look? Replay that look.
An hour and a half, dude. Like,
I totally hate naps. It sucks.
7:30.
So we're about to go downtown and watch some fireworks. I will probably be in a way jollier mood when we go downtown. Alright, well, since I'm in a bad mood, we're gonna jam out to Don't Trust Me by 30H exclamation 3.
303.
Oh. No, it's 30 exclamation
30.
Oh.
You don't say the X.
Oh, I never knew that.
Oh.
Well, we're gonna jam out to Don't Trust Me by 303. Here's the montage.
On the back of your hands.
Go crazy, Hallie. Ready? I'm gonna keep my hair like this.
I like it.
Really?
Yeah, I actually do.
Wow.